oxygen atom and removal of hydrogen atom. See, from the alcohol, which what will be removed? This OH bond. This bond is broken during the oxidation. Yaad rakhna. This is most important thing. OH bond is broken up, and one of the CH bond is broken up. So when OH bond is broken heterologically, so what happened? One more lone pair will come no here. So that will be converted into pi bond. This will become pi bond, and this, so the hydrogen is removed from this. So what happened? This hydrogen is removed. Then the compound will become, what compound will become? You can see CH3, C double bond banega, and one H is remained, one H will be remained here. देख लीजिए what compound is formed. Can you guess? So here and now you'll ask question, where the oxygen is added means this hydrogen, the removed hydrogen will combine together with oxygen. So water is also produced, no? See, what we do means we remove one hydrogen, we remove second hydrogen. So from this hydrogen and this hydrogen both will combine with this nascent oxygen will form water. So apart from this, so here the residue, the leftover residue will be formed. What is the compound? Aldehyde is produced or not? So this is aldehyde is prepared. So if the alcohol undergo oxidation, then aldehyde is produced. Again, if it is further oxidized, if you add some more oxygen, what happen means then the aldehyde will become into CH3, COOH banega, carboxylic acid banega. If the carboxylic acid is further supplied with oxidizing agent, then carbon dioxide will become into carboxylic acid becomes into carbon dioxide and water. Means ethanol when subjected to oxidation, in the presence of KMnO4, in the presence of K2Cr2O7, or in the presence of CrO3 in acid medium, so we will get CO2 and water. If this reaction is uncontrollable, so this is called oxidation. Oxygen is added to this compound, then we'll get the products. The primary one is aldehyde, and so second one is carboxylic acid. Now we'll discuss. So this oxidation is not controllable. So how to control this oxidation? If I take, name of the compound is ethanol. If I use, what are the compound? K2Cr2O7 in the presence of acid medium. So if I do the oxidation, we'll get the compound is CH3CHO, aldehyde banega plus H2O banega. And since the potassium dichromate is very strong oxidizing agent, and aldehyde will become into carboxylic acid. So this oxidation is not controllable. So, but if you want to get only aldehyde, so we don't want the carboxylic acid, what to do? So how do we control this oxidation? So here, if you take aldehyde means ethanol. If you take ethanol, when this ethanol is mixed with this CrO3, chromium oxide, anhydrous chromium oxide, then this ethanol can be converted into only aldehyde banega. So here the chromium trioxide is a specific oxidizing reagent, anhydrous. So this can break this compound ethanol to only acetaldehyde. Ethanol to acetaldehyde will get. So this is control oxidation we say. In case this compound is not there, आप यूज कर सकते हैं PCC compound, pyridinium chromo chlorate. This compound आप यूज कर सकते हैं. So PCC compound and chromium trioxide compound are the specific oxidizing reagent. Only by using this PCC and only by using this chromium trioxide we can get the aldehyde. This is very important thing. Okay, so here what we can chromium trioxide, PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium PCC full form is pyridinium chlorochromate. मतलब how this is prepared means pyridinium plus HCl. So this is the reagent you must remember. Right? So after this, next, what happened? Secondary alcohol, if you take secondary alcohol, this is secondary alcohol, propane 2-ol. What is the name of this compound? Propane 2-ol. When propane 2-ol subjected to oxidation. So if the propane is subjected to oxidation, you will get, if you use K2Cr2O7 or if you use KMnO4 acidified KMnO4, guess what will be the compound? So here if you remove this hydrogen, these two hydrogens if you remove, then it will become, what is the compound? CH3, C double bond O, CH3 बनेगा, ketone बनेगा आपको, ketone बनेगा. So secondary alcohol will become into ketone. The ketone is further subjected to oxidation. आपको मिलेगा CH3 COOH plus HCHO, CH3 CHO plus HCHO बनेगा, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड बनेगा. This is, and if I take the tertiary alcohol if I take, what happen means the tertiary alcohols are so resistant to undergo oxidation. Why? What is the reason? Can you guess?
Sir,
Why the
C
tertiary
negative.
alcohols will show the resistant for the oxidation? What is the reason?
Sir, third degree carbon is negative, electronegative.
See, here in oxidation what happened? Breakdown of the bond. So breakdown of the bond, carbon bonds we have to make. This carbon is electron rich. So bond electron rich means here, and tertiary alcohols having so many bulky alkyl groups, so they will show the steric hindrance for the oxidation. So then if you use the KMnO4, even acidified KMnO4, if you use acidified, so acidified KMnO4 if you use, so they will show the resistant for the oxidation. And if you apply the temperature and if you use more pressure condition, then forcibly they undergo oxidation. And if they undergo forcible oxidation, then you will be getting the fraction of compounds you will be getting. Aldehyde, carboxylic acids, water you will be getting. So here, and but in this case what happen means, so first compound will be the, you will get the ketone, you will be getting first compound. Other one is HCHO, you will be getting and again further this compound is subjected to oxidation. Again you will get acetaldehyde plus formaldehyde, formic acid बनेगा. So and this is subjected to oxidation, means then you will get carboxylic acid, acetic acid banega. This is the process, but this is a forcible oxidation. So 1 degree easily undergoes oxidation, 2 degree little bit, and 3rd degree one is very difficult. What conditions we have to use means drastic conditions we have to use for the oxidation. Means temperature हम use करना पड़ेगा in order to bring the oxidation process. But forcibly if you do the oxidation, you will get the fraction of compounds, not single product. पहले आप कीटोन मिलेगा, आपको कीटोन मिलेगा, फॉर्माल्डिहाइड मिलेगा और फॉर्मिक एसिड मिलेगा. So then when the ketone is subject to further oxidation, आपको एस्टाल्डिहाइड मिलेगा, फॉर्मिक एसिड मिलेगा. And if the एस्टाल्डिहाइड is further subject to oxidation, आप कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिटिक एसिड मिलेगा आपको. So this is that oxidation of alcohols we say. And so when these here these primary alcohol, secondary alcohol subjected to oxidation by changing the catalyst. So what is the catalyst means? Catalytic agent. For example, if I use CH3CH2OH, what is this? Ethanol. So ethanol when subjected to oxidation, not KMnO4, not potassium dichromate, just you can use a copper metal. Temperature हम कितना use करना है? 573 Kelvin temperature we should use. And at this temperature, if you use the copper metal and these vapors, ethanol vapors, the vapors of ethanol passing to this copper, then ethanol can be converted into acetaldehyde. So acetaldehyde आपको मिलेगा. Then acetaldehyde plus water आएगा आपको. And if I take propanol, 2-propanol if I take, 2-propanol if I take, same catalyst I am using, same catalyst 573 Kelvin temperature I am using, secondary propanol, means I took the 2-propane 2-all I took. Guess what will be the compound? दो हाइड्रोजन हटा दो, कीटोन बनेगा नहीं बनेगा? Tell me, ketone is produced or not?
Yes, sir.
So ketone is produced plus ketone hydrogen gas निकलेगा. Then CH3OH. So tertiary alcohol when subjected to oxidation in the presence of copper 573 Kelvin, then what will be the compound here? Exceptional compound. Actually we should guess the ketone, but ketone nahi aayega. So what you will get means, so this reaction will be the elimination reaction. आपको H2O पानी निकलेगा, dehydration. This OH निकलेगा and one of the hydrogen from this, then the reaction will be elimination. So आपको मिलेगा alkene मिलेगा. This is one important reaction. This is alkene आएगा आपको. Clear everyone? So when the alcohol 1 degree alcohol subjected to catalytic oxidation, this reaction is said to be what we call means catalytic oxidation. Catalytic oxidation this is. So 1 degree आपको मिलेगा acetaldehyde, 2 degree मिलेगा आपको ketone, 3rd degree आपको मिलेगा alkene. याद रखना, this is very important reaction. Examination में आपको क्वेश्चन आएंगे. Clear everyone? Any doubt is there in this? So now next one, like alcohols, phenols also undergoes reactions, particularly. So phenols will exhibit electrophilic substitution reactions What are electrophilic substitution reaction? Tell me. Do the phenols undergo electrophilic substitution and nucleophilic substitution reactions? Which one they are undergo? More common.
Sir, electrophilic.
Why the phenols undergo electrophilic substitution reaction more than the nucleophilic substitution reaction?
Because of lack of deficiency of electrons.
Deficiency or
More
sufficiency?
number of OH,
And
sufficiency of electron on OH. Lone pair is
So
present.
phenol has a benzene ring. Benzene ring is a rich source of pi electrons. So then attracting the electrophile. Electrophile is electron deficient. Now this is electron deficient or not? So
yes,
electron deficient. Now these pi electrons will be given to this electron deficient. When this electron deficient come to the ortho position or para position, then one hydrogen will be removed or not? Hydrogen is replaced by this electrophile. So then आपको मिलेगा phenol, आपको मिलेगा what is the compound you will be getting. So here the electrophile will be substituted here. What is removed? H plus ion will be removed or not? Here will be the hydrogen is there. So this hydrogen is replaced by the electrophile. So here benzene act as a nucleophile in this case and providing the electron pair to the electrophile. Electrophilic reagent. Give me the example for the electrophilic reagent. Give me the examples. What are the electrophiles?
NO2.
NO2 is electrophile. Very good. One more. NO2 plus
H3
H
plus
plus Cl
Cl
plus
plus
polonium, bromium, and
CH3 plus
CH3CO plus. All these are electrophiles or not?
yes, sir.
So here, based on the electrophile attack, now electrophilic substitution reactions are number one. So nitration is number one. Nitration. Number two, halogenation. Halogenation reactions the phenol will undergo. Nitration and halogenation. And acylation. Kolbe reaction also there. We'll discuss one by one electrophilic substitution reactions of phenol. Example nitration and halogenation. What is the nitration? So here the phenol containing OH group. OH group is electron withdrawing group or electron releasing group?
Sir, electron releasing group.
Electron withdrawing group or electron withdrawing group or electron releasing group? OH.
So it will release.
Electron
Withdrawing group. Phenol means hydroxy group is electron. This is negative character, no? So electron withdrawing group. So I will tell why this is electron withdrawing group. So now when this phenol react with this nitric acid, what type of nitric acid here? So dilute nitric acid. There are two are there, concentration and dilute. Now I am taking the dilute. The dilute HNO3 react with this benzene. So what happens means then we will get the compounds. What are the compounds we will get? You can see. So hydroxy group is not disturbed, but here NO2 आपको मिलेगा. So ऑर्थो नाइट्रो फिनॉल मिलेगा प्लस पैरा नाइट्रो फिनॉल आपको आएगा. पैरा नाइट्रो फिनॉल. So para-nitrophenol, how will get the para-nitrophenol? You can see now. So here, if you take the dilute nitric acid, so these are the two compounds you'll be getting. If I take, so when the phenol is treated with this phenol, when phenol is treated with concentrated nitric acid HNO3, so HNO3 concentrated nitric acid, this is uncontrollable reaction. This is uncontrollable. So then you will get the products. So what is the product? You will be getting picric acid. You will get. So this is called what is IUPAC name? This is picric acid. You will be getting. Picric acid you will get. Write the IUPAC name of this compound.
Trinitrophenol.
2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol आएगा.
Yes, sir.
So here what happened, you know, with the dilute nitric acid आपको ortho paranitrophenol मिलेगा, and with the concentrated nitric acid this is uncontrollable reaction. So you will get the compound 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol आएगा आपको. And what is the importance of this compound? So if this compound, this OH group is substituted by the CH3, then trinitrotoluene आएगा आपको. Toluene prefix, explosive compound आप बना सकते. So this is the very important reaction of nitration. This is. Next one is halogenation. Halogenation. What is meant by halogenation?
Addition of halogen.
Halogen like Cl2, Br2, I2, and most convenient one is Br2. We say bromination. Will discuss the bromination. So bromination means addition of bromine. Addition of bromine to the benzene ring will be added by two methods. One is bromine adding in the presence of CS2. Means CS2 means carbon disulfide. Less polar solvent. एक तरीका है. दूसरा तरीका, what is that means? Br2 in the presence of पानी, water. So bromination can be done two ways. One is addition of bromine to the benzene ring in the presence of carbon disulfide. Addition of bromine in the presence of water is second method. So what is the difference? Second one is most vigorous reaction, very fast and so spontaneous reaction. Second one, bromine in the presence of what is bromine? What is highly reactive with the phenol ring, and bromine in the presence of carbon disulfide is slow reactive. Easily. So then what I am taking, you can see now. Phenol I am taking. So phenol is mixed with phenol. So is mixed with the bromine liquid in the presence of carbon disulfide. So the bromine in the presence of carbon disulfide आपको मिलेगा. So what are the compounds you will be getting means I am not telling the mechanism now. So OH, so ortho bromo एक compound मिलेगा आपको, and so here one more is para bromo phenol आपको मिलेगा, two compounds. So and in the presence of carbon disulfide आप याद रखना. And next the same phenol is treated with bromine in the presence of water, bromine water. So bromine in the presence of water is highly reactive. Then आपको मिलेगा compound. What is the compound you will be getting? So and here is the bromine, here will be the bromine, here will be the bromine. What is the name of this compound? This is the white color substance. This is 3HBr बनेगा आपको. Write the name of this compound.
So 2, 4, 6 tribromo.
2, 4, 6 tribromo-phenol बनेगा.
Phenol.
Right. Others are present are only Shubham Tripathi is telling answer. Others, Shivangi, are you there? Shivangi.
Yes, sir.
Shivangi, write the IUPAC name of this compound. देखा? Shivangi, are you there?
Yes.
What is the IUPAC name of the compound? On the benzene ring, 3 bromine atoms are present. See, आप याद रखना पड़ेगा. With carbon disulfide से आप, so what compounds you'll get? With the water, what compounds you'll get? आप याद रखना पड़ेगा. You must mug up these reactions. So in the presence of water, bromine is highly reactive and produces, so white color precipitate 2, 4,
Sir.
6 tribromo-phenol बनेगा आपको.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, in the presence of carbon disulfate, sir, which one will be the major?
Major, so para is a major, Ato is minor, but these are the fractions you'll be getting.
Okay, sir.
Clear everyone? This is a bromination of phenol. Bromination, and one more. In the practical, this is one of the tests to identify the phenol. Bromination, bromine water test. White color precipitate आपको मिलेगा. ये वाइवा भी क्वेश्चन पूछते एग्जामिनर. How do you test the phenol means bromine test? आप बोलना पड़ेगा.
In the presence of water.
In the presence of water आपको ये compound white color precipitate मिलेगा. That answer you have to tell 2, 4, 6 tribromo phenol हमको मिलेगा. ब्रोमिनेशन से हम डिस्टिंग्विश करते हैं फिनॉल फ्रॉम अदर कंपाउंड्स. So this is halogenation. After this halogenation, next so reaction is there. What the reaction is about preparation of salicylic acid. One more electrophilic reaction. Very important. This is also very important reaction. What is this reaction means? When phenol is, this is called Kolb synthesis. Kolb synthesis is most important reaction. You should write in your book also. What is the Kolb synthesis means? When the phenol is treated with sodium hydroxide. क्या बनते? बोल दीजिएगा. This is acidic, this is a basic. Aqueous sodium hydroxide. When phenol is heated in the presence of sodium hydroxide, आपको मिलेगा intermediate compound. What is this? Sodium phenoxide मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा?
Phenoxide.
Sodium phenoxide. So this H plus will combine with this OH. Then sodium will go this. So H plus displacing. Then sodium phenoxide बनेगा. Sodium phenoxide आपको मिलेगा. Sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide specialty is that it is highly reactive. So into the sodium phenoxide आप CO2 gas आप pass करने तो if the CO2 gas is passed into the sodium phenoxide, what happened? Can you guess? So, and is that CO2 molecule is electron deficient, electron sufficient? Is that electrophile or not? Tell me. Does the CO2 behave like electrophile or not?
No, sir.
CO2 behave like electrophile. How it behave like electrophile? You can ध्यान से देखिएगा. So when the nucleophile like benzene approaches the CO2 molecule, CO2 gas, what happens? You can see this. So when this in the presence of the nucleophile, one of the pi bond will go here. So where the pi bond will go means you can see now here is oxygen will become negative, carbon will become positive. समझ आ गई सबको? Pi bond delocalization from carbon to oxygen जाएगा when the benzene ring approaches this CO2 molecule. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Second step I am telling. Then this pi bond is given to carbon. Check the arrow mark. Pi bond is given to carbon. Now pi bond is given to carbon means there will be link, no? Now.
Yes, sir.
So here you can see now here C O minus and here is the phenol. and here is the positive charge, here is the double bond. Can you see this?
So is it phenol or sir OH ONH if there?
Sodium phenoxide, sodium phenoxide.
Yes sir.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes sir.
So CO2 is attached to the ortho position.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir.
अभी next step आप बोल दीजिएगा. Next step what happened?
Sir again, sir electron will go inside the ring,
Hydrogen come out.
and sir then
Hydrogen will be removed. Yes, sir. Hydrogen घर bond हो जाएगा.
hydrogen will go to
हो जाएगा ये.
negative.
Now tell me on the benzene ring what group you got? Carboxylic.
Carboxylic acid one.
So carboxylic group मिला. Now Na. So Na कैसे displace करना? Na कैसे displace करना? So Na can be displaced by the hydrolysis.
So acid रखना होगा.
So H plus again pH use करने तो then sodium can be displaced. So then you will get the compound is so what is the compound? COOH there. COOH and here is the OH. What is the name of the compound?
Name of the compound.
Hydroxy benzoic acid.
Yes sir.
2 hydroxy benzoic acid मिला आपको. 2 hydroxy benzoic acid मिला नहीं मिला? Benzoic acid. What is the name of this common name of this compound? 2 hydroxy benzoic acid is called. Yesterday हम discuss किया ना salicylic acid or not?
Yes, sir.
The salicylic acid is the raw material for the preparation of aspirin tablet.
Yes, sir.
So salicylic acid is the raw material for the preparation of aspirin tablet. So this salicylic is prepared from which compound? From the phenol or not?
Phenol.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So phenol can be converted into aspirin.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
This is most important mapping question, application question आपको exam में आएगा. So how do you convert the phenol into aspirin tablet? Acetyl. So what is that aspirin tablet here? Aspirin will be the, I'm writing the structure, you can see OCOCH3 and here is the COOH, no? This is aspirin structure. Aspirin. एक क्वेश्चन आपको आएगा कन्वर्जेंस में, हाउ डू यू कन्वर्ट फिनॉल टू एस्प्रिन. आप एक क्वेश्चन पूछेगा आपको, हाउ डू यू कन्वर्ट द फिनॉल टू 2 हाइड्रोक्सी बेंजोइक एसिड.
सर ये सैलिसिलिक एसिड को ये एस्प्रिन में कैसे बदलेंगे सर?
सैलिसिलिक एसिड को
ये एस्प्रिन में.
हाँ. So as salicylic acid treated with the anhydrous ना, acidic anhydrous. Esterification reaction में बोला कल. Kolbe synthesis reaction. See now you are asking Anjan, you can see now. This is what? Salicylic acid.
Yes, sir.
Now I am taking the compound. See what compound I am taking. You see. What is the name of this compound? So in the presence of proton, this lone pair is given to this. Bond is broken here. This will become negative. This will become positive. Then here what happened? You can see now. This is given here. If I am connecting here to here means, so this will be attaching here, na?
Yes, sir.
So this part I am attaching. Now you can see. This is aspirin, no?
Yes, sir.
This part is aspirin. And byproduct here, CH3, C double bond O, H. Carboxylic acid मिलेगा आपको because I am including this H plus.
Yes, sir.
CH3, C, O, H. But how this compound is prepared? By using Kolb reaction. What is a Kolb reaction? When CO2 gas pass it into the phenol in the presence of sodium hydroxide.
Yes, sir.
So this salicylic acid prepared by the Kolb reaction. Kolb reaction is nothing but when carbon dioxide gas is passed into the acid means into phenol in the presence of sodium hydroxide. That is the reaction. So that's why mark this one. This is most important. Kolb reaction is important because this salicylic acid has great importance in the pharmaceutical company aspirin tablet preparation. इसीलिए this compound is most important. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now
sir.
one more simple equation is there that I'll close. What happens if the phenol? Simple reaction. This is if the phenol is treated with zinc dust, pure zinc metal dust. So when the zinc dust is up and heated with this phenol, very easy. This is reaction, very important reaction in chemistry, conversions. This reaction is very important. आपको मिलेगा benzene plus zinc oxide मिलेगा. हम फिनाल बेंजीन भी कन्वर्ट करते. Phenol can be converted to benzene by using zinc dust. Very simple. In conversion, this reaction is most important because this metal has affinity for the oxygen, right? So then zinc oxide बनेगा, benzene बनेगा आपको. Benzene is obtained. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now so I am closing, and next we have the meeting. So and I will be dividing the groups. Already I told 3 groups or 4 groups I will make convenient. So okay, thank you all. Thank you so much. So you can attend the
Thank you,
meeting.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.